Hey, John Caverman here with padprinters.com. I'm going to show you how you would attach one color cliche support to a Micro 90. Probably won't have to do this unless for some reason you're going from two colors to one and back and forth, because we'll have it installed when your machine ships. But I want you to see how it goes in case you have to take it off to clean it or lubricate or do something like that, because if an operator spills ink and it gets back here in the moving parts of the keyway that locks it in, you might have to drop this at some point to clean it. Or if your operators are really sloppy and ink starts building up on here, you want all these surfaces clean and so that everything's parallel, and sometimes it's necessary to drop this off the machine to take it and get it really well cleaned somewhere else, because it's a little difficult to clean dry ink off of this once it's in the machine. So if you see, there's on the bottom here of the casting, you've got a couple of pins. Those pins correspond to these two little slots right here in the holder, and you've got two screws. These are M6 by 25 millimeter. It's easier if you kind of pre-thread these so you don't have to try to do it while you're holding the cliche support up there. So if you just kind of start these two screws, one there. You're using the two inside screw holes. There's two outside. That's for the two color cliche support. So again, one color cliche support. You got two inside holes, two M6 by 25 millimeter, and you slide it on here. So it goes back and aligns with those pins, and you just firm these guys up with a M6 Allen head wrench, and you're all set. Twist to make sure they're tight, and that's all there is to installing one color cliche support. Thanks.